Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Master Shadija. I study in class 2A. We are going to conduct an assembly today on the topic yoga and meditation. Yoga keeps your body fit and meditation keeps your mind calm. So let us listen what our friends want to say. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, principal and teachers and my dear friends. My name is Shivansh and I study in class 2B from Krishna Public School, NEHRU, NAGAR, BHILAI. I hope you are safe and healthy. Today's headlines are: India's funds in Swiss banks rise to over 20k crore, highest in 13 years. Third wave of COVID-19 unlikely to affect children much. India announced playing 11 for WTC final against New Zealand. CBSE Class 12 evaluation formula marks to be based on Class 10, 11th and 12th. Pre-board. Heavy rainfall likely to occur in Mumbai, Thane, Palghar in next 2 days. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, respected principal madam, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Ravish Kulkarni and I study in class 2B at Krishna Public School, NEHRU, NAGAR, BHILAI. Today I am going to speak about yoga and meditation. Yoga is a mental, physical and spiritual practice which helps in achieving great mind, body and soul. Yoga has originated in ancient India, though it is practiced actively in the Western world also. Patanjali is famous as the father of modern yoga. Performing yoga has physical as well as mental health benefits. International Yoga Day falls on 21st June every year. In the recent years, doctors and scientists have done studies to prove that meditation is a relaxation technique while controlling our breath. Meditation gives us a feeling of happiness and calmness. Meditation has many benefits for the children: increased focus in studies, higher compassion, confidence, and building happiness. We should practice both yoga and meditation every day. Thank you.
आदरणीय प्राचार्य, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे सभी सहपाठियों, आप सभी को मेरा सादर प्रणाम। मैं मान्या रायचौधरी कक्षा 2 की छात्रा हूँ। मेरी पाठशाला का नाम कृष्णा पब्लिक स्कूल नेहरू नगर है। आज मैं योग और ध्यान के बारे में कुछ फायदे बताने वाली हूँ। योग एक कला है जो हमारे मन, शरीर और आत्मा को साथ में जोड़ता है। योग हमें स्वस्थ और शांतिपूर्ण रहने में मदद करता है। योग और ध्यान हमें तनाव मुक्त करते हैं, इसलिए हमें नियमित रूप से योग और ध्यान करना चाहिए। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ।
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Rachel.
do yoga. All you come, sit silently, keeping just mum. Try to meditate, focus on thumb. Now be deep, hold it long. Exhale all evil, God your chum. Let's do yoga, all you come. Thank you.
My name is Adna Rajput. I study in class 2A. Today I am going to recite a poem on yoga. The standing six make me happy. Surya Namaskar make me happy. They introduce us to nature where we feel free. Do yoga when you feel unhappy because yoga make me happy. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम पूर्वी अग्रवाल है। मैं कृष्णा पब्लिक स्कूल में अध्ययन करती हूँ। आज मैं आपको कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। प्रकृति के गोद में करे ध्यान और योग, प्राणायाम नाम से नष्ट हो जीवन के सब रोग मिटे, आनंद मिलेगा। सकारात्मक आत्मा पूजा हो तो है देख लेगा। कभी हो जाता धन्य देख यहाँ है रस से सुहाना, ऐसे सुख से भरकर सुखना हमने जाना। धन्यवाद।
सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम अभिषेक फुले है। मैं कक्षा 2B में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। उसका शीर्षक है योगासन। सुबह सवेरे उठकर करते जो भी बच्चे नियमित योग, बीमारी न पास भटकती रहते वो सदा निरोग। शांत बैठकर आँख मूंद कर करते हैं जो प्राणायाम, नई ताजगी आ जाती है, पढ़ने में भी लगता ध्यान। बोलो जब चिंता आए तुमको घेरे, व्याकुल सा हो जाए मन, शांत चित महसूस करोगे जब कर लोगे तुम योगासन। अलग अलग आसन है ढेरों, अलग अलग है इनके लाभ। कौन सा आसन कब करना है, सदा प्रशिक्षक को रहता क्या। बोलो अब तो कर लोगे ना, सुबह सवेरे उठ कर योग, सुंदर सेहतमंद रहोगे, दूर रहेंगे सारे रोग। धन्यवाद।
Good morning teachers. Good morning friends. My name is Shagun Sharma from class 2A Krishna Public School. Today I am going to present Shlok chanting. Om Bhurbhuvasvah Tatsarviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Tameva Mata च पिता तमेव बन्धु च सखा तमेव विद्या तमियं तमेव सर्वं मम देव तमेव सर्वं मम देव। जब हम योगा करते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी हेल्दी और स्ट्रांग रहती है, इसलिए हमें हर रोज योगा करना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friend. My name is Suyog Dore. I study in class 2B, Krishna Public School, NEHRU, NAGAR, BHILAI. Today's thought is always work hard and work together as a team. Thank you. Have a nice day.
mental, and spiritual practice that is adopted in India. It is related to making a healthy body and a healthy mind. It is a beautiful exercising practice that links the soul to nature and keeps fit and active. It is very rich and highly complex tradition. Thank you. Have a nice day.